Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Crypto Halloween. So today we have a new video about a new, more exciting upcoming listing in the crypto space, Pepe Ascension. So this project gained a lot of attention in this week, but before we dive into the video, I would like to ask you to follow our channel, like to this video, and let's go now to our review. So let's go now to the second part of our video. So as you see, this is the first page of the Pepe Ascension. The first page of the official website, of course, that you can check all the details about this project. So the Pepe Ascension ticker PEAP, the project has been gained a lot of attention and the countdown now is on. So whether you are already hold this coin or just watching the market for the sidelines, this is the moment to understand the latest development of this project before it goes live. So the official listing will be this October 31. So the Pepe Ascension will be launching across 5 major decentralized and decentralized exchanges in the same time, providing wide exposure, strong liquidity from day one, and multi-exchange strategy sets apart from typically tokenized and ensuring global participants. And as you see here, this is the chart. So as you see, this is how it goes, and looking at the number, the token presents a significant opportunity. Pepe Ascension started from just 0.203 and now is already 0.027 until now. So it's like 9 to 10x in just a little time. So rumors suggest the listing price must be. Rumors suggest the listing price could reach until $3, which can represent an extraordinary upside the original price until 1000x. So early entry now could possible a very good benefits position investor for sustainable gains. Community rewards are other key feature. Over 10,000 Ethereum has been rated with 5% allocated directly to the dual rewards pool for token holders. That presents more than $2 million worth of rewards. If Ethereum reached $5,000 on this day of listing, every PEAP holder will receive a rewards of Ethereum. If it falls short, rewards are still distributed on PEAP tokens backed by 10% of projects. And with Ethereum currently above $4,300, the potential value of these rewards could multiply in this coming week. So you can check that or all that in this article. Reward distribution logic, so the first one, the second one, all that in this page. And as always, all the pages will be in this bio of this video. Okay, so Pepe Ascension also offer a bonus system. The earlier and larger you purchase, the higher bonus tier. At this stage, 15% bonus is available for a limited time, given early participant extra bonus tokens before the listing. Zero cut, zero tax PEAP pad. So the project is also launching its own custom-built launchpad DEX with zero fees. This means trading can begin instantly when the token generation events go live. Without any buy or sell tax, the launchpad includes built-in tools to support liquidity and growth for PEAP and other meme-driven projects. It is a core part of the PEAP Essential ecosystem designed to provide transparency and long-term support for the community. So you can check that also in this article. As you see here, zero fees in the Launchpad DEX. And the last part of this video will be about the stacking. Stacking opportunities are equally compelling. The platform offers 150% annual yield, means token can grow 2.5 times in year through compounding. Okay, so for example, staking 1000 PEAP today can grow to 2,500 tokens in 12 months, and the current price, the stack starts at $27, but the token reaches the project listing of $3, that the same stake could be worth $7,500. Yes. So it's very huge benefits. So the combination between stack returns and price growth provides a powerful multiplier effect for holders. And also the Pepe Ascension community is very active and continuously to spend very rapidly. So talented influencers are sharing updates across YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, driving awareness and engagement worldwide. The project's official accounts are posting news and the community chats remain highly active, and Pepe Ascension is trending across social platforms signal strong interest and viral potential of this launch. Also, you can check all the updates in X, Telegram, YouTube, and also Instagram. So all the social medias are available, verified of course. So if we click here, we'll go to the verified page of Pepe Ascension, and as you see here, also you can check all the updates one by one. So in summary, Pepe Ascension has already raised 10,000 Ethereum, set up multiple exchange listing, allocated millions of community rewards, and created a zero-fees launch pad. And then launching a second program with 150% API listing go live on October 31st. And this is the final opportunity for early participants. You can use the official link below to join, and make sure to follow the official channel to stay updated with the latest announcements. These projects combine community management, strong tokenomics, and also strategic executing, making it one of the most exciting launches in the market right now. So this is my conviction about this project. Do your own research, and also if you like this video, don't forget to put like, subscribe to our channel, and share your conviction in comment section. We'll be here for any question. Thank you very much for your trust, and see you in the next video.